Let them speak, hours 1 to 31. Please repeat or answer. What kind of race does this look like? What are the guys standing there supposed to be doing? Don't you wish you could see where he's supposed to be finishing at? Is he going to be able to get to the top of the hill? Did the dirt bike almost hit the people wearing the yellow t-shirts? Do you hear the people screaming while the dirt bike is going past? Are the tires he has on the back something that you've seen before? Does he appear to be calm even though he might get hurt? Is he about to start the engine on the dirt bike he's riding? Is that something he needs to start it? Is that the easiest way he has to go to get to the top? Did he manage to stay on until he hit that bump on the hill? Can you tell he feels relieved he didn't get hurt? Is the place they're doing this at a place you live near? Is this guy doing any better than the last one that we saw? Doesn't it seem to be impossible to get to the top? Did he happen to fall off as soon as that bike came down? Do you know if they'll get a chance to do it again after the others finish? Would a dirt bike like that hurt you if it fell on you? They must try to go the fastest at the bottom to help them get to the top. Do they try getting away from the dirt bike they're riding as soon as they fall off of it? Does the crowd watching begin cheering as soon as they see someone begin riding up the hill? Do the riders prefer standing instead of sitting down while doing this? How far could you get up this hill if you got to do this? Is there anyone there that can treat them in case they get injured? Does it appear that the chain that came off stopped him from going further? Is that something they have to custom make? Does he wish that he hadn't lost control of the bike? Did they say that these are very expensive to make? Would they let people ride these on the streets if they wanted to? Why is it that no one has been able to get to the top? Shouldn't he have tried to ride on the other side? How long does it usually take before they begin to lose control of the bike? Did he try to stop it from falling on him? Is it okay if they decide to ride on the grass while going up? Were they there checking to see if he was all right? Did he hope to be the first one that could make it up? If he hadn't stopped there, would he have been able to go further? Has it gotten a lot sunnier since they first started doing this? Had it been raining, would they have been able to do this? Does it look like he's going to go far? Is he the first one that has managed to make it to the top? Would you enjoy doing something like this? Is that guy who just fell thinking of trying to do this again? Does he seem to be doing good? Did you see the other riders who had difficulty going up just standing back there? Have you got any idea how many times a year they have the chance to do this? Does the engine turn off just as soon as they jump off the bike? They must all be crazy. Did he decide just to wear shorts to go up the hill? Is that bike he's on almost as tall as him? Do they say that it tends to get harder the higher you go up on the hill? How far would he have had to go to get to the top? Do you like the design of the bike that he's riding? Do the riders stand up the whole time that they're going up? Did he seem to get stuck at the place he's at there? Would you have to be really strong in order to be able to handle a dirt bike like you see there? If he lent you his bike, would you look forward to doing this? Is he the second one that got to the top? Do those guys standing on the hill wear yellow shirts so that it's easy to see them? What happened to him? Did it appear that the engine he was using died while going up? Did he almost get hurt? Do they stop other riders from going up as long as someone is already on the course? Will women get to race next? Don't you wish you could see them racing?